it comes. Oh, it's going to be a rot. Hold on, Kainu. I believe in you. Go and get on top with your big ass.
I am a whore.
How it feels to chew 5 gum.
How's that?
Well, I was born by the snatch. Now I want to die by the snatch. So come up here and sit on my face and take my breath. But I am starving. Which would you rather I eat? Should I eat a cuttlefish and asparagus or the vanilla pesto?
Oh no. He never got to smash. Oh no. He never got to smash.
It's funny because I love saying the word cock probably almost as much as I like playing with cocks.
Cuttlefish is about to come out of my asshole! Oh, here it comes!
Oh no. He never got to smash. Why did he not?
I will eat the cuttlefish!
You're eating something?
Oh yeah.
Oh no. He never got to smash.
Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there.
Why did he not get to smash? Let him check his smash circuits.
Oh, can you see into my eye?
He never got to smash. Why did he not get to smash?
Gonna fuck me. It's 5 in the morning. There goes my fucking. There goes this night. And all of a sudden she looks at me. She goes, well, if you could guess the color of my panties, I'll fuck you. And I'm like, okay, red.
Oh no. He never got to smash.
Cock?
Yes.